Hello guys, it's Chris, the climbing investor, scaling walls, stacking assets, and chasing that Mustang horsepower. How are you guys doing? Today's topic is gonna be one meme coin on Ethereum that I'm really bullish on, and that's Book of Ethereum, BOOE. And we're also gonna dive into the markets, and I will have a look, and I will share what I see in the charts and what I think, how I think the end of the bull run will evolve. Yeah, so before we start with BOOE, I just want to give a shout out about my Discord. It's free to join and we are building something there with people just like you and me that are interested in crypto and want to hang out and share their knowledge. Just build something together there. So please click on my Discord and join in. Also, I have some links down in the description. I have been partnering with MEXC, so guys, I have something special for you that I've personally arranged for my audience, and it's that MEXC is offering a bonus for you guys. Just scan the code on the screen and the bonus is yours. Grab it before it's gone. So do it. It's a really nice exchange to leverage trade on. Remember, just stay safe and don't overexpose yourself too much with leverage. Comes with a lot of risk when you start using leverage in trading. And I also have some other links down in the description. I have a link to Ledger, which is a very good hardware wallet. Where you can keep your crypto safe. Also to Coinly, which you can use to track your portfolio, and it's very good when you need to do your taxes. And then there's also a link to TradingView, which is a great charting tool that I use to do my analysis of the market conditions. And also remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence. Investing in these markets comes with a lot of risk, so please just keep that in mind. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into Book of Ethereum. I mean, this is Book of Ethereum and it's all about the history on Ethereum of meme coins and how they have evolved. And what's really interesting about this meme coin, I'll tell you all about it. No one really knows who those three creators are. And there are rumors that one could be Joseph Lubin, who is a co-creator of Ethereum. And also that of the creators could be Vitalik himself, because actually Vitalik was seen wearing a BOOE t-shirt on the recent conference. Also, Joseph Lubin's son has a company called Strato, and both Strato, Joseph's son, and Joseph himself follows Book of Ethereum. And they don't follow so many projects. And you also have Shiba Prophet in there, and there's a rumor that it could be the founder of Shiba Inu. And on the Shiba Inu X page, they also follow Book of Ethereum. So that's really cool. Another co-founder of Ethereum, Anthony DiOrio, he's been interacting with BOOE. And recently, Tom Lee even posted on X a bullish statement about BOOE. So this meme coin could fly, like go really high into billions. We're gonna go into all of that, but first I want to just show you something on X about a well-known Ethereum whale that just buys meme coins and never sells. Well, he has not sold any until now anyways. So Book of Ethereum currently sits at the market cap of 33 mil. It has locked liquidity. BOOE's contract address starts with OX289 and ends with 40A6. Alright, so this is FBB4. And he is known as FBB4 because his wallet address ends in FBB4. And he just buys huge chunks of the meme coins that he believes in. And one of them is Book of Ethereum, where he actually owns almost 10% of the supply. 800,000 worth of Book of Ethereum. That is bullish. And he recently had this post on his X page about BOOE. The builder footprint is getting real. The community's presence at dev conferences, hackathons, and the general show up and ship mentality is paying dividends. Tom Lee's engagement has been a nice amplifier that brings a new audience into the conversation. If you're new to the project, take time to go through the website. A lot of the thinking behind BOOE's direction is explained there. Their style is less flashy announcement and more stack bricks and let the work speak. So he is bullish BOOE. Let's get into BOOE's webpage. So this is Book of Ethereum, click to enter, yeah man. So within the pages of Book of Ethereum, you'll uncover the essence of digital sovereignty, the prophecy of decentralized finance, and the eternal wisdom woven into the Ethereum ecosystem. If we go into the Council of the Chosen, and here you have them. It's first Shiba Prophet, could it be the creator of Shiba Inu? Who knows? You have Lord NPC, rumors Joseph Lubin. And Saint Vitalik, could it be Vitalik himself? That's very, very bullish. You also have NFTs that you can have a look at. You can find the link from the webpage. And you also have two tokens called Hope and Profit that's tied to the Book of Ethereum ecosystem. Alright, let's get into the chart of Book of Ethereum. So this is on the daily time frame, which is a time frame that I like to look at. I like to look at the daily, the 4-hour, and also the weekly. And from what you can see on the daily, it has been trending up ever since April this year, when it found a floor around 10 million. It only sits at 33 million still, so it's so I would not hesitate buying BOOE at these levels. It has an all-time high at 80 million. And I think it's just a matter of time when we have our beloved altcoin season that this Ethereum meme coin is gonna fly. It's a beta play to Ethereum itself, and I'm telling you, it's gonna go to hundreds of millions and even billions, and that's what I believe. It's just my honest opinion. Alright guys, so next segment is gonna be looking at the market conditions, so let's get into it. So now I'm on TradingView, and now we're looking at Ethereum against Bitcoin, since right now it's Ethereum season. Ethereum started outpacing Bitcoin in April-May of this year, and I was actually one of the few guys who called the bottom of Ethereum against BTC. I said when we dipped into oversold territory on the RSI on the daily time frame that when we broke the trend line, the downtrending line here, that we are gonna go up. Ethereum broke out against BTC and has been trending up since then. I actually drew this trend line, you see it in red down on the RSI chart, and I believe that we're gonna go down to the line and then we're gonna have a bounce. And where could we bounce to? Well, I've marked out an area which has a lot of volume in it, and it's between 0.05 and 0.056 of Bitcoin's value. So you can see it here. There was a lot of volume at this level, and I think that's a conservative target for Ethereum versus BTC. And where could we expect Ethereum to go then if Ethereum against BTC will end up there? I think the time frame is somewhere between October, late October to November to December, maybe latest January, February, but I think we're gonna top out November, December, and we're gonna see a Ethereum at around $8,000. That's my target for Ethereum, and that's actually if you take 0.055 times where I think Bitcoin will top out at around 145, then you get Ethereum at $8,000. So let's go get into Bitcoin's chart. So Bitcoin USD, this is on the daily time frame, and I have drawn out a parallel channel going all the way back to the beginning of 2024 when Bitcoin started its uptrend. And we're in a consolidative pattern trending down, but at some point it's gonna break out to the upside, and when we get the breakout we will be heading towards the upper segment of this parallel channel, and I think that we're gonna top out somewhere around 145 to 150,000 US dollars, and 150,000 is actually a psychological level. So I think that's a real target for this cycle, and like I said, I think it's gonna happen sometime late November or late December. The absolute latest time frame I see is the beginning of next year, but I think it's gonna be earlier than that. So if I take out my drawing tool, we could trend up a little bit, then we could go down, we could scare everyone going all the way down to almost the bottom of the channel where I have a red trend line here. Around 100,000. We could even dip down like a wick down below 100,000, down to 98, 97, and get a bounce from there. And we start heading up, heading up, heading up, heading up. And sometime December-ish, we could see Bitcoin at 145, 150,000. Another alternative way is if we just go up to the all-time high, maybe we consolidate there a little bit, and then we get the final leg, something like this. So alright guys, there you have it. Book of Ethereum I'm really bullish on, and also you have my market outlook. Man, I'm tired. I've been doing training every day, like skipping rope with my wife. It's a lot of fun. I have promised you I will post some videos and you will see. But you know, I like fitness, I like working out, I like climbing, I like fast cars. I'll make some videos when I'm driving my Mustang as well, because it's a lot of fun, and the summer is almost over here in Sweden. It's September now, so I will not be able to drive the car soon. Guys, I really like it that you enjoy my videos and also comment on them. I really enjoy your comments. I read every single comment, I answer every single comment. I love the engagement. I love the views that I get, and I really hope that I can continue growing this channel. So yeah, I've been amping up my game. I have hired some people that are helping me with editing the videos and making them better. So if you want to support me, please do that. That would mean a lot to me, and also that you join the Discord where we can all share our thoughts. So have a great rest of the weekend, and I'll be posting more interesting meme coins going forward. There is one play on Solana, which Solana is usually not the chain that I touch, but I have one there which I'm really bullish on, so there will be a video coming soon. Alright guys, bye, have a great one.